Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to reset your PS4 controller. Step 1. Log in with your second controller. Navigate to the settings in the PS4 top menu. This is the option that looks like a suitcase. Step 2. Choose devices from the drop down menu. Step 3. Select Bluetooth devices. Step 4. You should see your PS4 controller listed because you are using the working controller to navigate the menu. Select the inactive one. Step 5. Press the Options button on your controller found to the right of the touchpad. This will bring up a menu as Step 6. Select Forget Device. Step 7. Now that we've forgotten the malfunctioning DualShock 4 controller, we want to power down the PS4. You can do this by holding down the PS4 button on your controller, navigating to power in the menu and choosing Turn off PS4. Step 8. Connect your misbehaving DualShock 4 controller to the PS4 using a USB cable. Step 9. Turn on the PS4 and wait for it to boot up. Step 10. Press the PlayStation button on the controller and log into the PS4. The PlayStation 4 controller should now be paired and you can test to see if it's still misbehaving. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.